And this is a review on the cordless angle grinder. That is a just a Chinese knockoff of a Makita. It uses Makita type batteries. The Makita battery will not work in it. I mean, the Makita battery will work on this, but these batteries will not work on a Makita tool. I've tried it, and I don't usually use the Makita battery on these because I only have one. And it comes with 18 volt 5.5 amp hour batteries. Came with two of them, and it really seems to work really good. Just to show you real quick. This grinder comes with a grinding disc, an extra battery, 5.5 amp hour. Comes with a tool to change everything out, a sanding pad, and a wooden blade that I've used a bunch. It cuts real good. And the charger, slow charger. Hadn't found a fast charger for it yet, but really don't see a need for it. That one charges fairly quick. This grinder has several speeds. If you turn it on, you can press the button. That is good for a lot of different things. You can even slow it down enough to polish and do all kind of stuff with it. Works really good. Hadn't had any trouble out of it so far. Everything on it has worked real good. So I will try to put in here where I found it on eBay, and there's also, I'm sure, a place to find it on Amazon. But been a real good grinder, and just another one that goes to show you don't have to spend a bunch of money to get some good tools.